I made $500 last week by trying out different methods to make money with AI, and honestly, it shocked me how simple some of these were. No coding, no fancy tech skills, and in some cases, I didn't even have to do anything to actually make money. Most people still think you need to grind for months before seeing results, but the truth is, if you know where to look, AI can literally hand you shortcuts to make money with minimal effort. So let's get straight into it. So the first lazy method is faceless AI YouTube. Basically, these are channels where you never have to show your face or even record your own voice. Everything can be done with AI. Some of YouTube's highest earning channels are faceless. I personally know more than 3 people who run multiple faceless channels and make passive income every single month. I'm sure you've already seen these kinds of channels too. Let's talk about a popular one, Brightside. The special thing about this is not how many views they are getting, it's how engaged the audience is. People aren't just watching, they're commenting, sharing their opinions, reacting to the content. That engagement actually helps the video perform even better because YouTube notices when people interact, and the more viewers stick around, the more likely they are to watch your next video too. Basically, a single good video can start a chain reaction, building an audience that comes back again and again. So if you can build a faceless channel that gives real value, you can have a consistent stream of income. Now, why is this perfect for making money the lazy way? Because AI handles almost everything. You can generate scripts in minutes, add an AI voiceover, use stock footage or simple editing tools, and boom, you've got a video. It's honestly like stacking building blocks. You don't need to be a pro editor, you don't need fancy gear, and you can do it all from your laptop. Here's where it gets interesting. The money you make depends a lot on your niche. This is something most beginners don't realize. If you post random memes, you might get views, but the ads don't pay much. So you have to choose a high CPM niche, meaning advertisers pay more for every 1,000 views. Here are some high CPM niches for you to get into: finance and money, business and entrepreneurship, health and fitness, tech and software, legal and career-related stuff. That's why you'll see faceless finance channels making 10 times more than an entertainment channel with the same audience size. Some people think that this is not scalable, but once you figure out the workflow, you can pump out videos consistently. Even if you just spend 1 hour a day, that's enough to put out 2 good videos a week. Stick to it and you'll build a library of content that keeps bringing in views. One thing to keep in mind is that even if AI writes the scripts, you need to learn how to spot a good one. Don't just copy-paste whatever it gives you. A solid script keeps people watching, and that's what makes YouTube push your video to more people. And finally, don't expect overnight results. This takes a little patience. But once those videos start picking up, they'll keep getting views for months, sometimes even years. That's when it becomes passive income. You do the work once, and the videos keep working for you. Before we get into the next one, if you want to master all the basic AI skills to make money in 2025, make sure to check out my friend's AI software training, where he teaches you all you need to know to not fall behind in this AI wave. So make sure to check it out if you want to learn the foundation of AI skills. I will leave the link in the description. Let's get into the next one, TikTok Shop Product Promotion. Let me show you an example so you can better understand. This guy, AI Best Product Reviewer, makes close to $10,000 a month by uploading these weird AI-generated content about superheroes and stuff. Basically, what they do is make these AI videos, and they use them to sell products on TikTok Shop, and they get a little bit of commission for every single product they sell. I'm gonna play this video for you so you can see what kind of videos these are.
There's a maniac turning all the superheroes into gummies. This stops today. I will find him, and I will eliminate him.
Today, we're making Batman gummies. You already know the drill. We're gonna boil it with the blue raspberry and mix in a little bit of creatine.
I call them Beast Bite Gummies, the first ever gummies with creatine to help you build muscle and boost recovery. Make sure to grab yours from TikTok Shop before they sell out.
So as you can see, they're promoting these super gummies, which is a product that's been going super viral on TikTok Shop in the past weeks. And instead of getting the product in their hands themselves, they just created fun AI-generated videos of people promoting their product. They're getting millions of views for these videos, and people are enjoying them too. The creators are not pretending like the people in the video are real, or the videos are animated by a human. And this is making thousands of dollars a week. So it goes to show how much potential there is in this AI content creation wave. You just have to get creative. The key point here is to make fun videos that are enjoyable for people, and they will check out the products. You might think that this is not lazy because there is a thinking factor to it to come up with fun video ideas that people will enjoy, and that's true. But if you practice a few times and get the hang of it, this becomes a really easy process that you can do in under an hour. You can create multiple accounts and publish multiple pieces of content if you want to get quick results. But I would recommend starting with just one and creating other channels once you get some experience. Let's see how you can make these videos step by step. If you're not creative enough to come up with the prompts, you can use ChatGPT to help you with that. Let me show you real quick how I would go out and create one of these videos if I was trying to make money with this. So it's as simple as going to ChatGPT and asking them for a prompt that you can put into a video creation app, which I'm going to show you in a second. I can basically say I want to get a prompt for Google Flow of a realistic Superman and Goku fighting, so they don't have to be turned into super gummies. And then it will give you a very clear prompt that you can use for Google's platform. This is Flow. You just paste the prompt in, and it'll generate a full video in under 2 minutes. How good is that? Think about how little time this takes compared to editing by hand. Now, it isn't free. Pricing starts around $20 to $30 a month, but it offers a free 30-day trial. If you really want free options, you can dig around Google and find tools like Pika Labs or Runway with limited credits. But I would recommend using Flow, because for anyone new to AI video, it's the fastest way to get started. Now let's get to the next one, AI thumbnail design. You can get paid to design those thumbnails. You can create these high-converting YouTube thumbnails using AI products like Midjourney, Photoshop, and Canva AI. You don't have to put in much effort, and the potential is actually pretty high right now with the rise of personal brands. On the low end, you can make $50 a day doing like 10 thumbnails for $5, but on the high end, you can earn like $200 to $400 a day after you get some experience and create high-quality thumbnails at $50 each. And you might think to yourself, who would pay for this? And I'll be honest with you, I didn't even know this was a thing. But trust me, this works. You can use tools like 1 of 10 and view stats that will help you find those different sites and study exactly what they're doing. Because you can't create good thumbnails on a hunch, these have to be data-driven. You have to stand out on YouTube. Then download those thumbnails and upload them to ChatGPT. Then ask it what are the distinctive features of all these thumbnails and ask it to give a thumbnail prompt like that. Then offer this service for free to a few people to build a portfolio, then you can start selling. But here's the thing. These lazy side hustles are not good if you want to build a long-term consistent income, because these businesses are pretty shaky, to be honest. So if you want to know the best AI business ideas to start in 2025, make sure to watch this video too.